jury, we are here to present our project at the Specialized High School number 39 in Turkmenabat, Turkmenistan. So this project is presented by Mahri-org and my partner,
Maral. Name of scientific activity: ecology and practical significance of branch-house crustaceans living in the lake of the Eastern Karakum. So, our content is introduction, research methods and materials, schematics and ecology of Plataceran crustaceans living in the Eastern Karakum Desert, the practical significance of branch-house crustaceans found in the lakes of the Eastern Karakum, results obtained during artificial reproduction of the branched crustacean species Daphne pulex, results, references.
The importance of the topic of scientific work. The study of the species composition of Plataceran crustaceans, which are one of the important components of the country's freshwater and biogenesis, their place in nature, environmental features, biology and practical significance is considered very important today. Platacerans can also be very artificially cultured in large quantities to provide affordable and environmentally friendly food for fisheries. In order to study the ecology and practical value of Plataceran crustaceans in 2021-2023, we conducted the scientific research in shallow water in the area of the railway station and located 10 km west-north of Turkmenabat, which is our city, and we studied the ecology and life cycle, biological characteristics, and practical value of the farm Daphne.
According to research, 6 species belonging to 3 families were identified. Now, let's look at each of the species. Daphne magna, Daphne pulex, Daphne lumstina, Daphne reticulata, Ospina rostris, Mahri-org spinosa.
To sort the collected material, prepare the preparations, and quantify them, we use the training microscope with a CCD webcam. So, as you can see, these are the photos of the movements that we saw in the CCD web camera. Now, I want to talk about the results obtained during artificial reproduction of the branched crustaceans species Daphne pulex. We conducted and monitored experiments in 3 concrete tanks of different sizes and 1.5 meter depth in a 40-liter aquarium in a sunny open field at home. After filling the tank with water, we add the pure culture of Daphne at the rate of 20 grams per meter cube. We have created all the conditions for the care of the Daphne culture. Now let's look at the results that we obtained. In summer season, in first week, we obtained 4.32 kilogram per meter cube. To contrast, we obtained the lower products in winter. In first week, we obtained 3.36 kilograms per meter.
Additionally, this is a dried version of Daphne. We also can make it fish. We obtain this form with firstly sieving the Daphne from the water and lay them on paper until they dry. Finally, pack them in this kind of small pocket. First, in the lakes of the Eastern Karakum, 6 species of Platacerans belonging to 3 families were discovered: Daphne magna, pulex, Longspina, Daphne reticulata, Ospina rostris, Mahri-org spinosa.
Second, desert lakes are dominated by 5 species of Daphne.
Third, for growing Daphne under artificial conditions, blue-green algae and yeast, which are their food raw materials, are cheap to produce and give high results.
Fourth, when Daphne vulgaris is propagated in an artificial tank with a volume of 8 meter cube using special methods for use as food for juvenile fish, its productivity is approximately 0.72 grams per liter per week in the summer months and 0.49 grams per liter per week in the winter months.
The last result is that we propose to use dried Daphne as a main component of feed for feeding juvenile fish in fisheries.
This was the end of our presentation. We hope that it was interesting for you, and thank you in advance for supporting us in this kind of projects based on creativity. So, thank you for your